Deoriatal Chandrashila is a combo of two tracks in one single journey. An experience of lake, mountain trails, dense forest, and snow-covered peaks. At the top of Chandrashila, a wide 360-degree Himalayan view leaves you amazed, something you will remember for life. And the best part, anyone can do this trek. It's a beginner friendly and can be done in just 3 nights and 4 days from Rishikesh. The Deoriatal Trek starts from the peaceful village of Sari. After a 7 to 8 hour journey from Rishikesh, the calm village vibe takes away all the tiredness, and a delicious dinner with some local dishes makes the day even more better. We suggest packing the day pack before going to sleep, as the trek usually starts early in the morning because the sky stays clear. The trail to Deoriatal is around 3 kilometers, short but incredibly scenic. You walk through a peaceful forest, and if you come between February to April, the rhododendron flowers makes the trail even more beautiful. After the initial climb, there is a short 100-meter descent, and then something magical happens. As you take the last few steps, the lake suddenly appears, a wide open view of Deoriatal, and just behind it, the mighty Chokamba Peak. It's one of those moments where everything just freezes. Pure silence, pure beauty. And the best part of starting early, you get a clear reflection of Chokamba in the still water of the lake. There are 2 viewpoints here. One, to enjoy the perfect mountain reflection in the lake, and the second, a little higher, to enjoy the full panoramic view of the Himalayan peaks. After returning from the lake and resting for a while, we drive to Baniakund, the base camp for the Chandrashila summit. The campsite is also beautiful with an open valley. We can see the snowy peaks from there and also do fun activities like volleyball, carom, and badminton. The track leader also organizes the group games and making the day even more memorable. After having the dinner, pack the day pack because the next day is the summit day. We leave the campsite early morning and drive around 4 kilometers to Chopta, and then the trek begins. Tungna Chandrashila Trek is so beautiful that whenever you came here, you will experience a different kind of beauty of Mother Nature. In the summers, the trail is colorful with blooming rhododendron flowers. It feels like nature's own art show. In the winter, there is snow everywhere, and the trail, the valley, the views all look like totally amazing. After around 3.5 kilometers of hike, the Tungna temple appears, peaceful and surrounded by mountains. It's the highest Lord Shiva temple in all over the world. And around 1.5 kilometers of hike from the Tungna temple, we reach the Chandrashila top, also known as Chandrashila Peak or Chandrashila Summit. From here, you see the peaks like Chokamba, Kedarnath, Nanda Devi, Trishul, and much more, all together in one amazing view. After spending some quiet time at the top and feeling the energy of Chandrashila and enjoying the views from there, we trek back to Chopta and return to our campsite. Some people may feel little tiredness, but all the people feel deeply happiness. And the next day, we drive back to Rishikesh, carrying not just our bags, but memories, new friendships, and a fresh perspective. This trek is not just about climbing. It's about feeling connected with nature, with people, and with yourself. And for those people who never trekked before, it is a paradise place for them. So hurry up, plan your next trip with Hike in India. Adventure made easy.